Hello guys, welcome back. En este video vamos a hablar sobre el verbo venir, to come, okay? And I'm gonna do the chart first so you can have it on your notes. Oh, you don't see with this one. Let me grab this green, okay. I don't know if you remember this chart where we have all the personal pronouns. Aquí va yo, tú, él, ella, usted, which is a formal way, and this side are singular. This side is plural. Nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas y ustedes. Now, let me explain something right here. We have you all, and we are talking over here in an informal way. Ustedes is you all too. It's the same one, but this one is formal. Okay? These are how we are gonna order our pronouns. Singular, plural. Okay, now that we have our table, we're gonna conjugate the verb venir into the same structure, the same chart. So we can learn this the easy way. So tengo yo vengo, yo vengo. Tú, which is you, vienes. Él, ella, en usted, viene. Nosotros, we, venimos. Vosotros, you all, venís. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, vienen. Okay, now that we know how to conjugate it, we are going to do some examples. Follow me. Prom es hoy. Okay, our example says, yo blank con mi novio Javier. ¿Y tú? ¿Con quién blank? Okay, this basically is saying, I come with my boyfriend Javier. And you, who do you come with? Okay, we can say yo, and how we conjugate the verb venir. Yo vengo con mi novio Javier. Y tú, once we conjugate it, we can say, ¿y tú con quién vienes? Again, using the chart and answering this question, you can say, yo blank con Luis. I come with Luis. And conjugating it, we can say, yo vengo con Luis. ¿Con quién viene Marta? We already put viene in Marta. But let's answer this question. Marta comes with Esteban. So we have Marta, and Marta es ella. Ella viene con Esteban, Daniela y Carlos. Now we can also have a male word instead of Marta, and it can be Julian, and we can say Julian viene con Esteban. Now, if we have Mr. Rodriguez, Mr. Rodriguez is usted. And we can also say, Mr. Rodriguez viene con Esteban. So we can use those three with the same conjugation of the verb viene, okay? Now let's move on to the next example. And the next example is nosotros, blank, con Marcela. Y ellos, de la mesa 2, con quien, blank. So on the chart you see nosotros. Nosotros venimos con Marcela. We come with Marcela. Y ellos de la mesa número 2. Okay, and they, so they would be ellos. Ellos vienen. ¿Con quién vienen? Now we have another one, and we're answering the question. Ellos, blank, con María y Edgar. So they come with María and Edgar. So we can say, ellos vienen con María y Edgar. Now let's try the last one. The last one would be with ustedes. You all. María y tú, con quien, blank. So every time you see on a sentence saying tú, you're including yourself. So we would say, María y tú, con quien vienen. Con quien vienen. Ustedes, con quien vienen. Now, the answer for that would be nosotros venimos solos. We come alone. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Practice your verb venir. And thank you for watching. Hasta luego.